Why does your scanner show the P050B engine code? What does it mean? P050B is a diagnostic trouble code for cold start ignition timing performance. This engine code indicates that the engine control module has detected a problem with the ignition timing when starting the engine from a cold state. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty sensors, electrical issues, vacuum leaks, air filter problems, battery issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Toyota, Honda, BMW, Jeep, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.